The webinar process and the perfect webinar script works really well for offers between $297 and $2,997. But when you're selling more expensive offers, you need to add in another step. Instead of just sending people to an order form, send them to a page where they fill out an application. Then get on the phone and interview them to see if they're a good fit for the program. This works for two reasons. Reason number one, it's much easier to sell $2,997 up to a $100,000 program on the phone. That extra step helps people feel comfortable paying the higher dollar amounts. Reason number two, at the higher level programs, you're typically going to be working more closely with people. You can screen them to make sure you'll enjoy working with them. If they aren't a good fit, then don't accept them into your programs. In .com Secrets, I shared a two-step phone script that works really well when you have salespeople working for you. For that script to work, you need two people, a setter and a closer. It works amazingly well, but only when the expert isn't the one on the phone. At least in the beginning, you'll be doing these sales calls yourself, so for that reason, I recommend a completely different script. The 4-question close script.
Do you want to know what 185,123 people already know? That's how many people have gotten a new copy of my brand new book called Expert Secrets. And this book is helping them to find their message, to build a tribe, and to change the world. Now, if you want, you can go to Amazon.com and go pay full price for a copy of this book right now. Or because you're here right now, we set up a very special deal where you can literally cover a few bucks shipping and handling, and we'll send you this book for free. There's a link down below. Click on that link. We'll take you to the special page where you can get this huge discount on my brand new Expert Secrets book. Now, this book's going to help you to take any talent, idea, expertise that you have and turn that into a business where you can help other people, which is the best type of business in the world. So to get your free copy, click on the link down below right now. You're gonna cover the shipping and handling. We'll ship you out a copy. I cannot wait for you to get this copy of the Expert Secrets book in your hand because I know that your message matters and that you can change the world. So click on the link down below and we'll send you your copy of the book right away.